So very good morning everyone. The sun shines so beautiful and I'll eat baked potato fries for this is one of my favorite. That's why we won't stop trying to grow potatoes. I have here a sprouted potato and we are going to plant this today. Some says potatoes only grow in highlands here in the Philippines and we are situated in a lowland area, so it's barely growing here, but maybe there are other reasons why it isn't growing because they said potatoes love full sun. So let's keep trying, more focus this time because here in our province we actually import potatoes from Luzon and Mindanao, somewhere wherein the temperature is much cooler areas here in the Philippines. We will cut this potato in smaller cuts. Let's leave at least 3 eyes. If you live in the same area as we do, and you are growing potatoes successfully, please give us some tips in the comment sections. It is much appreciated, really, because we really want to grow potatoes. We want to grow it here in our farm because we want organic potatoes also. But we can actually grow sweet potatoes easily. It's just that this kind of potato is hard to produce here in our area. We will try to grow it in sack, and if it grows successfully, we will start growing or making our own potato tower. So we place rice straw underneath before we put our compost. So this is actually our compost, guys, from our worms. Look at that, it's so black, and we mix it with some rice hull. Hopefully the potatoes will like it. Our puppies sniffing on the floor, and those are our broilers, guys. And here are our layers. We just fed them with commercial feed. So here is our rooster, guys. It's a native rooster. We will just remove something on his feet because he's currently in house with 10 hens because we are breeding or starting to breed our own chickens for layers and for some meat as well, because this sharp thingy on his feet is hurting the hens, so we have to remove it. I don't know the term of it in English, but Kuya Weng said something in Bisaya. Don't worry, the rooster's just fine. It's just something that not really necessary for his body. And here's the baby of Kuya Uweng and Ate Guy. Sakit ikaw? Hi, say hi sa vlog. Hi.
Oh.
And we have here our harvested eggplant and some chilies. We will deliver it to our town. And as I've said in our last vlog, we will show you how we make OHN, but I think I won't be able to show you everything today. I'll just peel a little bit and Ate Guy will do the rest. But we will make a separate tutorial video, a full tutorial on how to make Oriental Herbal Nutrient. So if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get updated. This may seem a lot of work, but actually it's therapeutic. Whenever I feel sad or anxious, doing something like this makes me forget of those negative thoughts as your focus is diverted to the peeling of the garlic and you become present.
Dugo.
Look at our papaya, guys. It grew with many stems and all of it has fruits. Wow, thank you, Lord, for the abundant fruit bearing papaya. And let's make some smoothie, papaya smoothie.
Abot ang video sa tubangan day. Kanang sa sulod ba imo pa nang video. Vlogger na jud ka. Adyo ko makapag mga ina ng kuan. Crazy oy kay cameraman/editor. Pero dako ko lang sahod ko na. I-zoom in. Zoom in.
Sa pag-edit na niyo i-zoom.
Aw, di na kanang ikaw mag tanaw si, madsugay ilamag.